the year 2009, the population of Uganda, because we should have had a census last year, but due to lack of funding, we were not able to have a census, and we'll have one this year. So the population was 30.6 million, and of that population, 51% are women, and of the total population, 88% are rural-based. So most women are based in the rural areas, so they actually are not exposed to a number of things. And then of this population, the average growth rate is 3.2, and nationally, in terms of our economy, we have a 2.7% growth, but we had experienced, at least having gone through a bad experience of inflation, down national economy and so forth, we were able to raise our economy to about 6.1, between 6.1 and 6.9% growth. Now, the progress that we have managed to register is that we have a 90% school enrollment, and a large number of that school enrollment, especially at the elementary level, is girls. Then we have an increase in the rural water coverage, which is at 6.1%, and from this year in the national budget, we are raising money to increase on the coverage of the water in our country. And then we have a reduction in HIV/AIDS prevalence from 30% to 6%, and it's even much lower if we did more figures, because Uganda has been at the head of the reduction of HIV, of the spread of HIV and AIDS, and we're controlling it through the provision of services, ARVs, condoms, which most people do not want to wear, especially the female condom, but at least we try and pass on that and prevent that. We're improving on the health services, especially malaria. Malaria is one of the greatest diseases in our country, and right now the government is launching a program to provide mosquito nets to every person in every single family countrywide, such that by the end of this financial year, everyone will have at least a mosquito net. The unfortunate thing is that the rural people are using those mosquito nets to do other things, but we are encouraging them to use them on the bed to prevent themselves from malaria. What they are doing is to use them to